Is it recording? Yeah. Okay. It's really nice. I don't have to take the goggles off for that, and it just hangs still. All right, love. I'd say that let's just let's fly up and
Where are we gonna go?
just there to the. Okay, is that the door's locked now?
Yeah.
Okay. I really like this. Is really handy, love, because it prevents me from like fogging up. And yeah, nice. It's very good. Okay, everything looks good. We have a signal. We have 94. Glasses, the goggles are still at. Okay, let's go. Let's just go. Yeah, let's just go straight up. See if it says a high wind velocity or not up here. Oh, this is cool, love. I'm just walking straight down. Look how high we are already. We're at 150 meters now, love.
100.
We're 150 meters high, love. There we go. You can just look at everything. You can see the sandbanks there, eh?
Yeah.
That's cool, eh?
Mm-hmm.
What I really like is that I can fly, like I want to go in this direction now, so I can fly in this direction. And while I fly in that direction, I can still, I can keep that direction going, and I can just look around while flying in that direction. Some more birdies around. Okay. We're really high now, 178 meters left.
Wow.
Let's go even higher. But going this high, it does take 200 meters now. Wow, love, we can see all of, look, love.
Wow. Looks really nice, love. I love it. Are you recording it?
Yes, it's automatic. You'll always record automatically.
That's cool.
When, look at the river now, love. Let's go even higher.
Wow. Look, love.
See, can you see the mountain now? Yeah, but it's in the clouds.
Wow. We look so small.
Alright. Okay, let's fly. We'll come down a little bit again. Let's fly full speed now.
Okay.
We have to keep in mind that.
Are you recording on GoPro?
Yeah, is it not recording?
Oh, it's gonna say my kilikili.
Oh, okay, we can edit it out, love. But I need the audio. Otherwise, it's so boring without the audio, love.
Okay.
We don't need the video, just the audio.
Okay, just use the audio.
Alright. Yeah. And we always have to like. We can never drop below 50%, eh?
Why?
Well, because you need the remaining 50 to get home.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Look. We should try other places, though.
You see, now it's starting to drop, eh? See the megabit?
Yeah, it's
dropping?
34
Yeah.
now. Why is that?
Because we're on a great distance. We're like 500 meters away.
Away? 100 meters away?
Yeah, you can see the D there. The D is the distance.
Oh, yeah, we're 600 meters away.
Yeah. Wow, this is so cool. These are such amazing aerials, love.
Yeah, and 170 meters high.
Also, I've set the max distance on 1 kilometer. It's gonna refuse to fly further than that.
Okay. Look at the houses, love. So small. Very small. So it's cool there, I guess.
Go down a little bit here.
People are not gonna throw a stone.
Oh, we're like 40 meters in that. They cannot even see us right now.
Okay, yeah.
I gotta be careful that we don't drop too low here. The thing is, I can always go outside and like stand on the car if the signal starts breaking out, right?
Yeah.
But I think here's fine.
Let's drop to 32.
That's fine, love. Even at 1 megabit, we'd still have a signal, love.
Is the drone? Is the quadcopter behind us?
Where?
Is it behind us?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's kind of behind us. Look, there's home.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we're flying over the. Let's have a closer look at the.
What if the guard shot the drone and think it's a spy? I mean, a quadcopter.
So just gotta make sure that we don't be too close
He,
because of
he
all the
also
lines.
used this one to scare the birdie who's trying to get their fish there.
Oh, they use a drone to scare the birds away.
No, it's just a suggestion. They could also use drone. It's very expensive.
Now we're just 10 meters above. Look, look.
Oh yeah.
It's good for inspection. Good tool for inspection, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I love the freedom that I could just like go anywhere.
What if the guard see you, love?
Love, I'm already flying so high up. He cannot hear us. He cannot see us.
Okay.
You barely hear. Like this is tiny, love. As soon as you fly like 10 meters, 20 meters high. Let's just fly. I think 70 meters is well. Let's do one turn around again. Yeah, this is all fine. Let's fly. Let's fly a little here. It's a good way to getting to know all of them. What they do, right? It's just so cool to share this with you, love.
Yeah. Wow.
It really makes me happy.
Look at this thing, love.
What, love? What do you want to look at?
I mean this a coconut. It's all
Where?
coconut.
Oh,
here.
this here?
Yeah, that's all coconut.
Okay. Hey, let's go
trees.
find the coconut, love.
No.
We can go straight down here to a coconut. Backwards.
I can see the drone thing.
Let's go find the coconut, love. Let's just have a look around here. I think we're fine. We have a good line of sight, so I don't think we have to worry about anything here. As long as we do everything slow. Yeah, this might just have to see here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just put her straight in the middle here, love. Because there's nothing below us, but we have to be careful with that. We'll go a little here.
So it's not so risky.
No, it's not so risky.
Uh,
As long as we use our eyes, the quality is high enough. You can even see the power lines there, right?
yeah.
But the power lines are at the road there, right? See.
So people there, love? No?
Where? No. We lose a little bit of signal now because we're going through the treetops, but there's not too much interference here. Can you see a coconut?
Yeah, there. Oh.
There?
Yeah, there.
Oh yeah. It's cool, eh? Alright,
Mhm.
let's go back up now. Full speed up.
Yeah.
And we're safe. Alright, let's go more up actually. Let's go. I can fly forward here. Once we go up, we're good. That's why the return to home is so nice because it will just fly straight up. And if you fly straight up, usually you'll get a signal because the angles change, right?
Yeah.
And this is fun. Now we gotta keep in mind we are at 50%, but in a little bit we're gonna start flying back, so we don't have to panic, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You never know how. And then also like you have to find the most efficient speed, eh? For flying,
Yeah.
like flying at full speed. The drone is gonna get.
Where is this area?
Just the road.
Uh,
All right, love. Where should we fly? Should we just fly? Let's just fly a little more up and go. We can still go a little bit over Loonpadidu before flying back.
really?
Yeah. We still have 47, right?
46.
Yeah, 46. See, it calculates, hey? If it starts If it starts thinking that you can't make it back anymore, it say, "Oh, return to home, return to home."
Wow. To the river.
Are we gonna fly towards the river or to the houses here? Where should we fly?
That's the river.
To the river? Okay.
That's the river.
We gotta be careful though with like, don't want to piss off a bird.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's a lot of birds there, eh?
Yeah, but we're high, eh? So like, as long as we don't get too close to nests,
Mm.
then they should leave us alone. But we should make it back, love,
Yeah, yeah.
because we're at 40,
Yeah,
42%.
oh, 41.
Yeah. I think, and also that's the thing. You don't know the wind. Like, what if we have to fly in against the high wind now, eh? You can easily lose so much battery just trying to fly it back. Let me just go. I think I have. I'll go and I'll make a dive. I'm gonna go make a dive here.
Only have
It's fine
39,
when you
eh?
press, when you go down like this. Let me just circle it again. There we go. I'll go and make a dive here.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool, eh?
Nice and clear. Nice, nice
Signal.
and clear.
Signal. Wow.
Wow, that's a river.
Let's go a little up so we don't have to go through the. It's cool, eh?
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. I heard it.
Yeah, because I was going down, so I had flew straight up there, or we would have been in the ground, or at least hit the car there. Okay, that was the last battery for now. That was cool, though. I have this a big smile. I must have looked really nervous on that last thingy, the last maneuver, and then
There's the kids, love.
they're gone. I think. Yeah, they're
Still
gone. Love.
there.
Where are they?
Oh, they're walking there.
Okay, let's land before they're there.
Oh no, he's flying back, love.
They're flying back.
I mean,
Kids?
the kid's going back when you see that you're gonna. I don't know what his plan, love. What their plan. Look, they have a thingy.
They have a what?
They have a
Where are they?
wood in their hand. There. In front.
I don't see them. Oh, they're there? Okay. They have a what? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I'll have to go backwards. Backwards. There we go. So,
I can see it. Did you see it? The shadow.
yeah, I see it. Oh,
You want me to go out?
yeah. Spark was doing.
Go. I think it's
Am I good?
No, you're in my head. Don't forget it,
Drifting, love.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Slowly. Yeah, yeah.
Good? Am I
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, yeah, in that side.
Nice. Good job, love.
It's almost fell off.
Yeah, thank you, love. That was great, love. You are saved it, love.
It's almost
It was just a lot of wind, so it was.
Yeah, it was.
Wait. I can. Hold on. We only have 4 minutes left of recording, so that was perfect. Nice. Good job, love. And now we can watch it in better quality when we watch in the 4K. It's gonna be even. That's the cool thing, because you always get rewarded now when you go home and you look at it at our nice screen. Then we can see it in much higher quality, eh?
Yeah.
And then we see all these details and because you're really gonna see the details of everything, and then it's kind of like you're experiencing everything for a second time, right? But this is so perfect because like it automatically starts the recording, so you don't have to worry about that. This is like really the best toy I ever got in my life. And if we both get good at this, love, there's also, if you get really good at it, and you're building your network now, and who knows what comes from that. If we get good at this with our equipment already, and I'm good at sound and stuff, eh? So, maybe we could make, what if we can offer, like, for tourists, what if we can offer like vacation packages where we like film their whole vacation, and we do, we have the boat and stuff.
That's really
and we advertise that we can use this to find the dolphins and the whales and learn about them and stuff. I think that we could find an angle to make some money, and maybe we can advertise that we take a BCH for everything,
Yeah.
because those are all rich people, right? If we advertise, hey, you can come, you only have to fly here, and then we pick you up at the airport, and we make sure we take care of you for everything else, and you just have to pay in BCH.
Red.
Yeah, I know, it's from the pressure.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it's just gonna be so cool, love, because what we can do now, I'm still filming, but it's okay.
I feel like